Hello friends, today I will show you my big project here at home because it's like we cannot reach upstairs there because when I am doing my filling up my because I want to paint inside, and I found out that there's marks of leakage of water. That's why I panic. Oh my God, I need to fix this one. That's why, yeah, I called a painter or fix the roof, and he found out this broken tiles there. Some broken tiles in there. And this is his things. See, so he already painted this one there. These ceilings. This is a good boy. He painted this. He painted this around there. And he's painting. He's painted the surrounding now. So it's good. It's expensive, but I cannot do it. So I'd rather hire someone to do it. So we ask our neighbor. Let's see. It could not know that I'm taking picture of him. Okay. So this is my mandarin now. So it's good. So he been here for 3 days. He hadn't finished yet to spray the roof. So yeah. So after that I will also paint all these things too. Again, repaint. Okay, so that's my project. It's a big project, and we are planning also to paint also our driveway because it's like this now. No more paint. Okay, so maybe I will end up here now, friends. And there's a lot of improvement because it's almost, and they cleaned the gutter, and they sealed the roof and paint. So it's done all these high parts that I cannot reach. So we will just do the lower parts. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe and see you next time again. Bye.